Welcome. Let's talk about some of the most important topics from your psychology. Now, the expected questions for psychology this year would be, so let's go on to the list of topics that we have here. So here, topics on pseudopsychology, topics related to humanism, rationalism and Vienna Circle are really important this time. Now from methods, every time you either have a passage based question or there is question which talks about general questions, 2 to 3 questions related to research aptitude, and then around 4 to 5 questions related to statistics. It could be a comprehension question where you have the question and the choices which relate to statistics, or there could be independent 5 questions related to statistics. But for statistics, you need to cover all the topics that we have discussed in detail. Among the techniques, projective test is really important. Sociometry is an important topic. And then from the sections on research aptitude, focus on sampling, types of research, and then in statistics, mainly pertaining to factor analysis. So every time there are questions related to factor analysis, cover factor analysis in detail. If you are having problem understanding the concept of factor analysis, reading the book, you can simply go on to the lectures that we have covered here comprehensively on doorstep for more understanding of each of the topic of factor analysis. Coming next, because there are certain topics that require deeper understanding. Theoretical topics you can read from the material and you can understand it well, but specifically when it comes to section on statistics, if you have conceptual clarity, you are ought to score better marks. Then development of human behavior, off and on there is a question but not of that weightage. Biological basis are very important questions. So either you have questions related to physiological psychology, which is commonly asked these days, which can be even from the research papers recently conducted. So it mainly pertains to brain, parts of brain, again dream, analysis of dream and sleep patterns are again important. We have covered that in the separate section in the book, but this is something related to biological behavior, so you can cover it here together or you can cover it later, but this is an important topic. Again, psychophysics is an important topic. Under psychophysics, specifically perception, illusion, depth perception are important. And then we have the various types of perception that we have discussed in the lectures. Learning, the theories of learning, again there can be case based questions asked on learning. So if you know the concept, if you know the understanding of the topic, you can solve those questions. So all the various models of learning, the Thorndike model, the classical operant conditioning, the various concepts under operant conditioning, and then the Tolman's Tolman's model is again important, really important. And then in the memory and forgetting, the retrograde forgetting and anterograde forgetting is again important. Thinking and problem solving, not that important, but basic concepts related to brainstorming and the rules of problem solving are important. Emotional wheel and the theories of emotions are the two important aspects that you must cover here. Motivation, again the various theories of motivation. So we have the list of theories that we have covered here. All of these theories are important, but some of them have been recently added to the syllabus. For example, Parekh's theory has been added, and this is one of the important theories that you must be familiar with. Again, similarly, in the sections on intelligence and creativity, mostly the questions pertain to the various types of tests, the inventories, the number of questions in the inventories, the type of questions asked, to which category this tests are applied. So those kind of questions specifically from intelligence, pertaining to intelligence, tests are asked, and the same for the personality. Either the questions could come from the theories or the approaches to personality or the test. So these are the major areas from which questions are asked usually. Language, now the development of language, parts of language and semantics are some of the important aspects, and then linguistic hierarchy and the critical period hypothesis is important. Communication is a basic topic, theoretical topic, you can read it, understand it and do it. Then the questions, the sections that we have covered next pertain mainly to the applied part. Under the applied part, mental disorders is a really important topic. The various disorders, how you classify them under the APA classification, and understanding the DSM classification, the changes with the DSM-3, DSM-4, the various type of disorders, the name, the nomenclature, and the symptoms and the basis, and the various therapies. Now under therapies, again new therapies have been included that we have covered in our separate book on new topics, so you can refer that for more detail. Sleep and dream, as we already mentioned, can be related to biological basis of psychology, so you can cover it there. And then again the general topics for the applied section, these are theoretical topics, latest researches can be part of this. So if you go through the material comprehensively, you will understand what kind of questions come and what is the basic thing that you must understand. Leadership, again theories of leadership is important here. Then the military psychology, sports psychology, gender psychology, the basic terms and definitions, the terms like glass ceiling effect, self-fulfilling prophecy are really important, the various theories and approaches here. Again, if you go on to the new topics, there are certain sections which have been added. So even in the statistics, as we say, Krusal-Wallis test is an important test which has been added. We have covered it comprehensively when we have done the lectures here. So as I said, statistics, if you go through the lecture, you are all set with the statistics and you can attempt and answer every kind of questions from statistics. It's really an important topic. Then from the new topics which are added, which were added in 2019 and are really important till now, important ones are Rotter's theory, Seligman theory. Then there have been questions which have been seen with Zuckerman's theory. Under the therapies, acceptance and commitment theory, therapy is important. Then coming on to health, mainly the health compromising and health promoting behaviors are important. Digital aspects, so digital learning, digital etiquettes, and then cyberbullying are some of the important and emerging areas that have not been covered in the previous section, but we have covered it here comprehensively. So if you go through the material, you are able to understand all the kind of intricacies, and then all the past year paper solutions are available on doorstep, so you can go through that as well. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. But yes, these are some of the important topics that we have mentioned for psychology, and definitely we'll be coming back with paper 1 as well. Stay tuned.